to our channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, today a Billy birthday, right? And we dropped a video this morning. I just want to say thanks to everybody who watched the video, and shout out to all the person who I reached out to send me a little small video clip just to show Billy some love, and he's strong. Yeah, and I'm going to talk to you guys about that. But this, I'm going to give him his gift and camera. And before I do so, I don't know why I'm not coming out video. So come down below and tell him happy birthday. So in another video here, we just want to say happy birthday again. And I love you.
From the depths
of my heart. Yes, I love you. And this gift from me here, it might not mean a lot to you, but it means a lot to me. And yeah, and a lot of people are gonna probably wonder why I get on camera, because I want to give him on camera. So anyway, I'm going to give him his gift. I don't know if he want to open it on camera or he might go open it off camera, but I just want to present them to him on camera. And I just want to say I love you and enjoy the rest of the day.
I'm very enjoy it. Yeah, I'm enjoy it. So first well, thank the people them. This is me. So first and foremost, I thank Father God. This is me, which I lay down my life. I must steer the ship.
Alright, stick up in. One time.
I must steer the ship one thing. Yeah. And I reach up a decade in my life, you know. Yeah. So I thank him for that. You see me? And then I thank everybody now who wish me a happy birthday. You see me? Who send them blessings, who send them greetings and things. You see me? Yeah, I pick up my mother. Yeah, people, so them around me now.
So guys, these are all the gifts I got him. Yeah. Alright. So you're looking at the bag first?
Nah, I'm looking at the bag.
Make sure you stay in the camera. If wrapping paper finish for me, say you know the shapes go. Alright.
What the bag is?
So more you open that one first.
This first?
Wait in there.
One thing in there?
Yeah.
Alright, people.
And guys, people, before I'm going to the whatever I'm gonna say, we could hide the gift them in here. It's like he want to know every single nitty gritty.
He's a detective.
Exactly, you're a detective.
From a little, shall I surprise if I know what it is?
And he probably know why not all of the bag then. We just feel like him and probably see them already too.
No, let's see them, I know. Based off, I'm a theory, I'm a question. Isn't it? Love me. So, question her, you know.
We just say that, why not that? No, why not?
This?
Make a gift and tell me.
Based off how you just said a while ago, either one of the 3 bag, and you say, yo, this is something where you that really want me. See me? You know me know myself, I know me know you. This is a barber share. Alright,
go on look. Me say for eating them.
One of them still.
Oh, you do say it's a barber share. Anyway, pull it. Let people them see what I want.
Okay.
This is what I want.
Yeah, big up things.
Anyway, I'm going to play some music in the background. And the meanwhile, don't go in the back. Anyway, I'm using shoes box so we can trim off. Why not?
A box of these, I'm worried. When I'm good at wedding.
Please let me say if I eat in there, you don't know when I eat. I camera so them can see that.
Camera there.
So indeed, it was actually
I'm married. Isn't it? Yeah.
So you know say marine and stuff.
Yeah, I love them type of marine, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, put that around and put that down so.
What you say another one you know?
If you say a box as well, you see?
This is stuff. And that's why before I'm pulling this and whatever. That's why I shout out Shani from my workplace. Thank you so much. And also the chocolate in your ears. For the birthday. So we are trying to thank you so much.
Yeah.
Help me out.
You got yourself, Shani. Yeah.
We hope we get the right side.
The nice thing then try to make sure so the boy can hold on them, isn't it? Which one? This or that? This. So a magnum. It's a problem with it.
Where's the Jamaican?
Isn't it? Shield. Trouble. So
The camera.
this kind of feel lightish. It feel like some earring or some chain. We're gonna put it still.
My wrapping paper run out, so I have to dig up in the house and find some wrapping paper.
You like that engagement ring still.
Mad, I'm not engaged to you.
Like the cookie jar.
Anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe.
Like.
Leave the thoughts in the comment section.
It's a nice chain.
What then? Alright.
It's not for disclose.
It can be disclosed.
It's not for disclose.
Alright.
People, I wanna trouble, I wanna have to disclose, you know? Some nice cool area.
Alright, what are you thinking of that one, you know?
Big boy.
I'm gonna buy no shit.
Clever, you know? I should know that too. What happened?
I don't know why this.
You know why next?
No.
Rabbit. You must know him. Shani, you got yourself, you see me? You know you know one now. Looks like you come from. Where the hell do you wanna come from? From overseas. The brush are coming out. Some more that could be hard.
People, the video did actually cut out because we run out of space. So we are going to end the video. So I'm going to let Billy do the honors, okay?
Yeah, again, thanks to everybody. You see me? Thanks to Father God. Thanks to my family and my friends. You see me? All of my in-laws and mommy big up yourself. Mommy big up yourself. You see me? Really big up yourself. There. Hats off to you. You see me? One thing you can't say about her, she's full of surprises. You see me? And she full of style, flavor. You see me? And she love it. You see me? And she love them type of build up your atmosphere where you can enjoy yourself, and she love me to feel good. You see me? That's why she buy the Magnum. I feel good. So me can make sure So me can make you feel good. And feel what? We don't see.
Anyway.
Of course.
Listen.
What?
See the video now? So we can get ready now.
Anyway, love you.
Love you too. Anyway guys, so look out for the birthday vlog. I will see you all in our next video. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. Leave a thought in the comment section when you see about a video here, and I will see you all in our next video. Bye. Peace.